In this video, I'm gonna show you how to possibly make money on Pinterest affiliate marketing using this one tool where you can find a bunch of viral products that are selling right now and you can promote them. I don't want to waste any time with these introductions, so let's dive straight into it. And first thing you want to do is to create a Pinterest account. This step is completely free. Just create a Pinterest account, make sure it's set to business. It's also free. I already have mine, but this is not customized to any specific niche. This Pinterest account is used for tutorial purposes, so just keep in mind that this account is not a perfect example. I'm just gonna show you how to create a perfect Pinterest pin for a specific niche we're gonna choose. So the second step, once you have your Pinterest account created, we can go to trends.pinterest.com where we're gonna choose our niche. If you don't already have something in your mind and you haven't chosen your niche beforehand, this Pinterest tool will be super helpful for you. So this is basically how it goes. Here you can discover trends in the United States. Let's say you can choose growing trends, seasonal trends, top yearly trends, or top monthly trends. If we click on growing trends, we can see that Happy Mother's Day gifts, teacher appreciation gifts had the highest monthly changes of all of other keywords. And this is basically how you're gonna do your research. What I recommend is always choosing a top yearly trends because you want your niche to be popular throughout the whole year. Let's say you can choose nails, outfit ideas, hairstyles, dinner ideas, fashion, wallpapers, dinner recipes, and you can scroll down through these niches and keywords and just search for your interests and what you're passionate about. One of my passions is skincare, so if I search by skincare, I can click on this. And also there's this one new feature that trends.pinterest has now. It is predictive future, so you can actually see what the future of this keyword is most likely to be looking. If we are talking about the skincare keyword in the beauty niche, this actually is not too bad because it gains similar amount of interest throughout the whole year, and that is what I'm looking for. Also, if you scroll down a bit, we can check out related trends. If I click on skincare basics, I can compare couple of graphs in the same graph. Also, if we take a look at the demographics, the main audience is female, and that is what we are looking for because on Pinterest the majority of audience is women, so you want to pay attention to this. Also, you get popular pins, you can check them out and get some inspiration from. And this is basically how it works. You need to choose your niche and then choose your keywords. This is gonna be my keyword for today's Pinterest pin. And now, how do we actually search for products we can promote on Pinterest to make money with affiliate marketing? So this is one of the ways. What you can do is go to TikTok, open up TikTok and type in skincare. Now you can scroll through these videos, search for viral videos. Maybe you can use some of these on your Pinterest account. I'll show you how to do that. You can search for products like this, but it will take you a bunch of time and you're not actually sure if these products are selling well and if they have an attraction. A better way that I found, there is this one tool that is called Shoplus. And Shoplus basically is a TikTok analytics tool that helps sellers and creators track TikTok trends and discover product opportunities and even gain competitor insights for success on the platform. It offers numerous resources and insights about TikTok e-commerce and marketing strategies. Shoplus has 3 core features that are real-time TikTok monitoring, comprehensive data analysis, and a rich database. Now let me walk you through how this works and how we can leverage this tool for affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Now you can go to the description of this video or the top pinned comment and click on the link and you land in this website. Just sign up to your account. Once you sign up, you'll see a dashboard that looks similar to this. Now you can go to products, click on top sales, and there Shoplus simplifies everything with an easy to read format. They have different marketplaces and categories, and all of this data is organized. You can even filter by prices, commissions, relevant influencers, and even product rating. With focusing on products with higher margins like 20% or 30% and only promoting well-rated items, 4 stars or higher, you can optimize your earnings while maintaining quality. And also, before I forget to mention, you can filter data by 1 day, weekly, or monthly. To get started, make sure you have your marketplace selected. For instance, if you are in United States, select United States. Now we have a bunch of categories that you can choose from. For example, home supplies. You can hover your mouse on home supplies and find more specific categories. Let's say home organizers, bathroom supplies, home decor, and others. If you're in household appliances, you also have a category right here: women's wear, shoes, beauty, phones, computers, you name it. There are a bunch of categories that you can choose from. My niche that I chose is in beauty, so I just hover my mouse on beauty and choose skincare. Now you can see all of this data such as commissions, sales, revenue, sales trend, relevant videos, and relevant influencers. One of the most important metrics right here is sales trend, because a product could have high sales, great commission, and solid reviews, but it's still essential to check if its sales trend is still positive or stable. A product that did well last month but is now saturated may not perform as strongly anymore. So always make sure the sales graph is either trending upward or holding steady for consistent performance. This is also what we were looking at the trends on Pinterest.com when we were looking for our niche. Also, I recommend choosing monthly or at least weekly to see the bigger picture of this trend. The worst case scenario is when a product steadily rises but then sharply declines, signaling oversaturation or fading interest. Now let me take you an example on how everything works. If you scroll through these products, you can see that the first one is the acid. You can see the sales trend looks pretty good. The second product also have high sales, high revenue, actually even higher than the first product, but take a look at the sales trend. It's probably a bit too saturated and now it's not looking too good. Take a look at this third product. Looks awesome, a lot of sales, revenue is pretty high, and sales trend is steadily rising. This is looking pretty good, but if I keep scrolling down, I found this one product that I really like. Take a look at this one. Professional silicone scar sheets. This product is actually a pretty useful, especially for women who are looking to hide their scars. Let's click on this product. We can select, let's do past 15 days or let's do past 30 days. At the beginning we had a bunch of sales, then a slight decline, but now it is steadily rising once again, and this is a good sign of a good product. We don't have a lot of videos done on that. Not a lot of influencers are promoting this, but still the revenue is pretty high. This product might be a good option. So what you can also find on this tool is relevant videos. You can search for what other creators made on TikTok. Let's say you click on this video and you can go straight to the TikTok and just use this video for your Pinterest account, and I'll show you how to do that to not get copyright complaints. Also, you get relevant influencers, you can check them out. So don't forget to use the first link in the description to sign up on Shoplus.net and use code SCHOOL101 to get an extra discount. Now, if we chose our product, we need to find it on Amazon.com. So just copy the name of this product, go to Amazon.com. Actually, before you go to Amazon.com, you want to make sure that you have Amazon Associates account. If you don't have already, just register and continue this video. Just paste the product name into the search tab, click enter, and now we can find same exact product that we found on Shoplus.net. And now what you can do is to get a link of this product and promote it straight onto your Pinterest account. Not straight, of course, you don't want to get banned on your Pinterest account, but I'll show you a way how to avoid it. Okay, our next step is to create a Pinterest pin. To do that, we can go to Pinterest, click on create pin, and this is where you want to upload either video or image. In this video, we're going to be using a video from TikTok, and this is what we are going to be doing. Copy the link of this video, open up a new tab, go to snaptik.app, paste it over here, click on download and download a video. Now go to this tool called Veed.io. Also, you can find the link down in the description. Now just click on create, click add auto subtitles, and choose the file we just downloaded from the TikTok. Now just select the subtitles and click on auto subtitle in English. Now just check out this before and after. Before, it had no subtitles and it looked pretty empty, and whoever is scrolling through the feed without sound is gonna skip through this video. But if you take a look at this video, take a look at this. It added subtitles automatically and it looks pretty awesome and accurate. Now last thing what you want to do is click on done, click on export this video and download it to your computer. Now go to Canva, type in Pinterest pin, click on empty canvas and just upload the video we downloaded from Veed tool. Upload this video right here, and now we want to make sure that we hide this watermark from the last tool we used, just like this. Fill out the whole screen and just check if subtitles are still in the frame. Looks awesome. And now the last thing that's left to do is just click on the share, click on download and download this video. Now once the video is downloaded, you can go back to Pinterest and upload the video from the Canva. Now for the title, description and the link area, this is what we're gonna be using. Let's go to ChatGPT. And now I'm gonna ask it to create a small article about this exact product. And also I'm gonna ask to provide title and description that is SEO optimized for our Pinterest pin. Just like this, create a short article about this product. I inserted the link to this product and provide SEO optimized title and description for my Pinterest pin. Now as I can see, the article is actually pretty short, so I want to make it longer. So I'll ask it to make an article a bit longer, and in the meantime you can go to medium.com where we're gonna post our article for completely free. So just click on the right, and this is where you're gonna post your article's title, and in this area the article itself. Now let's go back to ChatGPT, copy the article, professional silicone scar sheets, advanced scar treatment backed by science. Now we can copy all of this article and just paste it into this area. Now you want to make sure that everything looks good. There are no unnecessary gaps. Now at the bottom of this text, you can add, click here to buy your silicone scar sheets at the best price. Now we can go back to amazon.com and get the affiliate link of this product, highlight this call to action, click on this icon and insert our link, just like this. You can also highlight it. And now what you want to do is just copy and paste it throughout the whole text. Maybe one right here, another one right here, just like this. Click here to buy your silicone scar sheets at the best price. Also make sure you add images to this article, add a gap, click on the plus icon and click on the add an image icon. Now once you're happy with your article, you can click on publish. For the topic, you can type in skincare and publish now. Now let's copy the link, go to the bit.ly to shorten this link, click on the plus icon, paste your link over here and click enter. Also, if you want to do, you can actually edit the back half. Let's say silicone scar sheets, just like this. Now we can copy the link, go back to our Pinterest account and paste the link into this area. Now for the title, let's go back to ChatGPT, copy the title, paste it right here. For the description, you can copy this text over here and also add some hashtags: skincare, skincare routine, beauty, whatever is in your niche. Make sure to add keywords. And also one of the most important parts is to credit the original creator. Just type in credit, add, and copy the creator of this video and paste it right here, just like this. Now for the board, I'm gonna choose a skincare. You can choose a couple of tags, and once you're happy with your post, just click on publish. Now just take a look at this Pinterest pin. They have an awesome video with subtitles. We have our description, we have our title. If somebody clicks on the link, we are led to this article where we can read through this text and actually get to know what the product is about. And if you want to buy this product at the best price, we're going to click on this link and we're going to land on this Amazon.com website. And if you buy this product, you'll get a small commission, that is a 3% commission on this $10. So this is how you can make money on Pinterest affiliate marketing. So don't forget to check out the link in the description down below and get the discount for ShopLoose and find the best products to promote on your Pinterest account. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.